This is the brief on the core ideas and, frankly, some head-scratching puzzles from formal logic. We're looking at Graham Priest's Logic, a very short introduction. It kind of traces how logic went from ancient philosophy to this, super mathematical thing that's key for computers today, but still tackles these big philosophical questions. All right, let's get into the main takeaways. First off, the big goal of logic is figuring out validity. Like, when does a conclusion really follow from what you started with? There's deductive validity, where the conclusion has to be true if the premises are. Then there's inductive validity, where the premises give you a good reason, but it's not absolutely guaranteed. And even figuring out deductive validity makes you wrestle with what counts as a situation, where the premises are true. Pretty deep stuff. Okay, second, logic shows how everyday language can kind of trick us, especially with words called quantifiers. Think someone or nobody. Logically, these work way differently than specific names, like Marcus. If you mix them up, you get problems. Like, it's easy to mistakenly slide from saying everything has a cause to claiming there's one single cause for everything. See the difference? And finally, logic hits some real roadblocks with self-reference paradoxes. The classic one? The liar paradox. This sentence is false. Think about it. If it's true, well, then it must be false. But if it's false, doesn't that make it true? Whoa. This completely messes with the basic idea that every sentence is either true or false. So now, logicians are exploring systems where maybe, just maybe, sentences can be both true and false, or even neither. So yeah, logic, it's absolutely crucial, way more complex than you might first think, and it's always bumping up against these huge questions about truth and reality.